Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can make Startpage your default search engine on the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. Alright, so let me launch Waterfox on my desktop computer. And as you can see, I'm here on the start page of the Startpage search engine. Nice wordplay. And if you'd like to make it your search engine, guys, here on Waterfox, you will need to access your browser settings. So to do that, click into these three dots in the top right, and here navigate to settings. And inside your browser settings, guys, you would see the general tab to the left, and here switch to search to the left. So you can choose between various default search engines here on Waterfox. If you click the drop-down menu, now if you install Waterfox, Startpage will probably be the first default search engine. But if you have change to another one, like, I don't know, that one, or Google, or DuckDuckGo, Bing, and so on and so forth, you may simply select Startpage. And it works the following way, guys. If you, for example, open a new tab, you will see in the bottom left corner the given search engine here in the top left next to the URL address. So you don't even have to navigate to the start page of Startpage, but you can use that URL address here at the top while having the given search engine selected. Of course, you can navigate to another search engine by clicking into the drop-down menu and select one of these here. So that's it. Now, if you don't switch to another one, you will automatically use the default search engine, which is Startpage. And after that, simply navigate to these, to the search term and enter it here. And that is going to redirect you to these results here. And here, from here, you can use Startpage for further searching, or go through the homepage of Startpage. That's totally up to you guys. So that's how we do it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.